Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. If you've been following me, you know I do a ton of Mustangs, especially '05 to 2014. Excellent hard car to find here. Triple black, 2013 Mustang GT California Special, 6-speed manual transmission, and 71,000 miles. You would never, ever, ever guess that this car has 70,000 miles. It's in excellent condition inside and out. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, show you the engine bay. That way you know exactly what you're buying, whether you're coming in to look at the car in person or have it shipped right to your front door. I personally own two California Special Mustangs. I think that they just have a real nice look to them. Generally, what the difference is a trim package. You got GT 500 front and rear bumpers, a little bit of an interior upgrade package, and obviously got some stripes and stuff. But this car in triple black, the wheels accenting the silver stripes, I think it all really ties in together nicely. And just a lot of car. Again, you don't see these come up for sale very often, especially in the 2013-2014 range. Throw Kelly Blue Book away. I don't want to hear it. You're not going to buy this car for that kind of value. They're great cars. They're holding their value. And again, you can do a lot of little things to make these cars your own that don't cost a lot. And today, we're going to go over this one. So again, 2013 GT California Special Coupe, 6-speed manual transmission with the Coyote 5.0 liter V8. From the factory, they're about 412 horsepower, and just a great car all around. So we'll start in the front, work our way around here. Very, very, very minimal chips on this hood. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little touch-ups that somebody touched up, but there's no big chunks or anything or major scratches on the hood. The black paint on this shines excellent for 2013. Along the top of the hood here, there's no kind of bubbling or anything that I always mention. Whenever we do the underside of the hood, we'll look up along the top, see if there's any on the underside. Almost all these cars have it, and I always like to point it out. A lot of people say it doesn't have it, but doesn't matter if it's got 5,000 or 105,000 miles. It is a thing that these cars have. Okay, you can see it's got a upgraded grille. It doesn't have the center fog lights. I think this is factory, but don't quote me. And the same on the lower grille here. Very, very, very minimal chips along this bumper. Your lower plastic is nice and crisp along the bottom here. And again, your headlights don't show any major signs of haze or fading or anything like that. Factory hood scoops here. I don't think they're functional, but maybe they are actually. I honestly don't know, but it gives it a nice look, brings it all together. Your windshield here is super clean. There's no wiper streaking going across here. Your cowl plastic is in nice condition. It's not dry rotted or cracked or anything like that. So we'll go down the driver's side here and see what it shows. Just want to grab the key so I already have it. Okay, so driver fender, driver door, driver quarter panel. Don't see any dents or major scratches. A lot of times people brush up against stuff on the sides here. None of that. See, it does have a set of window louver covers. Really nice. If for some reason you don't like them, they pull right off. They're generally on there with like a 3M tape. And you can buy these on American Muscle, or you can actually buy them on Amazon now. And I think it really gives it a little bit more of a beefier look. But if you don't like it, take them off. Front rear wheels, excellent condition. Very, very minimal curb rash or any kind of wear showing. And these tires, they could 2023 in the front, so almost new. Little chip there. No kind of scuffing or anything along your bottom rocker panel either. A lot of times they're hidden down there. Somebody runs up against something, you never see it, but nothing under here. It's really nice. Again, driver door, there's no kinds of dents or anything like that. Your roof, again, I mean, the black paint on this is a really, really nice shine to it. It's not full of acid rain, scratches from somebody, you know, drying it with their beach towel or something. None of that. In fact, I'm pretty sure whenever we get around there, I'll look, but I'm pretty sure I bought this car down south and had it shipped up. We'll go to the back here, work our way around. I'll point that out on the other side here. Okay, so it does have the factory larger pedestal rear spoiler. Somebody added this honeycomb grille to the back. I think it really brings it all together. I don't quote me. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are aftermarket taillights, but they're still sequential. I think they're just LED as opposed to the factory ones here. Hit the trunk. Hit the trunk. Really wide and big trunk space in these Mustangs. That's what makes them nice. You can fold the seats down. It's at least my arm's length back there, and your drip trays and panels and everything around here's no peeling or anything. And again, this is a 13-year-old car at this point, and it's just a stunning condition. And again, California special. Some people say they're not that hard to find. Well, you know what? Go find one, because I can't find them. I probably get maybe 5, 6 California specials a year. They always go quick, and I personally have a thing for them, so I can't say anything bad about them. And I think that they're they're a good-looking car for the money, and you can do a lot to make them your own. Rear bumper here, no kinds of spider cracking from anybody backing into anything. Very, very, very light scratches. Your lower plastic still has a nice shine to it. I believe this is factory exhaust on it. These cars have a good sound from the factory with that 5.0, so generally some people might put mufflers or something on, but unless you're wanting to be like super loud, no point in getting exhaust. Really nice. This is what I was wanting to point out on the other side here. A lot of times these clips can fail over the years. None of that on this one. Even your antenna's nice. Sounds stupid, but a lot of these get dry rotted around the bottom. Rear defrost, again, quarter panel door, front fender. I don't see any dents, no scratching along here. Very little chip there. It does look like it has tinted windows. This is part of the California Special Package. These are just for looks, but gives it a nice aggressive look. And again, a little bit of curb rash on this wheel. And yeah, and then you'll see a picture of it on the website, but behind the rear wheel, there's like a traction bar. Always look at those on these. You can tell how the car's been maintained. A lot of times they rust out. This has no rust on it, obviously, and it's still original black paint. A lot of people undercoat them or try to spray paint them, but it's all factory, which is really nice to see. Let me check on this. I just can't remember where I bought. Okay, yeah, North Carolina. No, yeah, North Carolina and Georgia. So that's always nice to see, because the cars down there, they don't have the potholes and everything. And looked like this car was the majority of its life, spent its life in North Carolina, and then I bought it in Georgia. So, okay, and again, I do have a copy of the window sticker. I'm going to go around and go over the interior with you. Again, it does have a black and suede leather interior, which is pretty cool. And you can see white stitching here, piping. You won't be able to see it in the video, but the seats also have GTCS embossed in them. Real nice seat bolsters here, the white stitching all the way around, even where it comes together with the suede. Nice condition. This does have, it's called My Color, so you can change the color of your door sills, your under dash lights, even your gauges you can change the color of. You can see it's got this is factory. I guess you'd call it a carbon fiber style dash here. Your plastic's real nice. Somebody added this, but this carbon fiber on the console, I think, really pairs well with that from the factory. Factory heated seats, navigation. I can't remember if this one has a backup camera or not, but let's see. I'll have to wait while it fires up here, but no kind of dash lights on, no TPMS lights or anything like that. Again, heated seats, shaker stereo system, and this one does not. Yeah, this one does not have a backup camera, which I don't even know if they offered. To be honest, I really don't know. But I only got one key for it, and I'll have to look and see if the books are in the back seat or somewhere. I don't see the owner's manuals, but those are easy to get if needed. Again, there's no kind of odors in here. Your seats are real nice. They're not all stained up. Your carpeting's perfect. Your door panels are nice. You're never going to guess that this car's got 70,000 miles. I've seen cars with 7,000 miles that aren't this clean. And yeah, we're almost done. So we'll show you what you're buying here. Okay, so somebody added the hood struts. I don't know why they didn't do that from the factory. It's kind of stupid that they didn't. They had these posts here, but anyway, somebody added those. These do appear to be functional because I can see through here, so that's kind of neat. Super, super, super clean engine bay. You can take this to a car show, pop the hood, and put your folding chair out. Really nice around the strut towers. There's no bubbling, anything like that. Factory brace across here. Again, the engine dress-up kit, so all your plastics, everything flows together nicely. A little bit of that bubbling there I was telling you about. That's the only spot I see on it, and they're all going to have it. So I'm going to point it out. I'm going to be up front with you. Most people say, oh, it doesn't have it, but it probably does. All right, but down, like, you're not going to see this in the video or the pictures, but like down in the engine bay and everything deep down is really nice and clean. I know I keep saying that, but I try to find the right Mustangs. I know I'm never the cheapest Mustang, but I don't try to be. I make my cars nice. I get them nice. Always pay up for nice stuff, and I think that that holds. I get a lot of these cars back through the years. I sell them. People have them for 3-4 years. Come in, want to upgrade, want to change, want to retire, whatever the case. I get these cars back through the years. So I try to make them right. That way, whenever I get them back, I don't even have to look at them. I know they're going to be nice because nobody's buying this car to abuse it or beat on it. This is somebody's pride. And, that everything in here I pick out, and we ship them all over the country. We buy them all over the country, bringing you the best quality that we can and the one-off stuff that you can't find just at the dealership down the road. So give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to do a FaceTime walk around with you and do whatever we can to get this California special in your garage. And thanks for watching.